Hey everyone, Blockchain Bernie here with our latest episode. This is a Bitoku deep dive, and it's going to be a brand new playlist with deep dives for people that are interested in how things work under the hood. And for those of you who don't know what Bitoku is, it's a storage layer for smart contract chains, especially a storage layer for Solana. If you want to know more about Bitoku, the link is in the description. And if you purchase a Bitoku node, you can run a validator node in the Bitoku blockchain that we're building. It's a storage blockchain that interacts with smart contracts on the Solana chain so that a Solana developer feels like Solana has storage, right? He can just open files, write to files, read from files, can create really large files and read from a position inside a file that feels like a database or is a database. And all that data is not stored in the Solana chain because that would be prohibitively expensive. It is stored on the Bitoku chain, and the two blockchains communicate with each other so that the Solana programmer feels like he can use storage as if it was built into Solana, and that enables a whole new class of Web3 apps, a whole new class of DeFi apps. Those are all limited today because there's no storage layer. All right, so that was what Bitoku is, and if you purchase a Bitoku node and you are eligible to earn rewards, then I will show you in this video exactly how that works. So if you need that documented, it's all in our light paper. So make sure to go to bitoku.io, again, link in the description, and read our light paper. Everything's documented there, how the rewards work. They are going to be emitted for the next 10 years. There's a fixed number of rewards that will be emitted every day. There's a hard limit of the number of Oku tokens, so your rewards are being emitted in Oku tokens. And there's a hard limit. There's never going to be more than 4.015 Oku tokens out there. And it's a fantastic way not only to get into this exciting new journey with the Bitoku chain from day one and, write blockchain history together with us, but also to earn these rewards. And now let's dive into it, how it all works with those rewards. So it's relatively simple. We have 1 million. So let me get my pen here. Whoosh. We have 1 million Oku tokens emitted each and every day. So out of these 1 million, we have 500,000 going to node owners and another 500,000 going to Bitoku Labs to fund the development of the Bitoku chain. So it's basically these 500,000 per day, and these are all shared among node owners. And it just means that, we have sold 1,400 platinum nodes. They are already gone, right? But they have 6 times the rewards of the regular founders nodes. And then we've sold, as of today, I think, 1,700, I'm not even sure, right? Let's say 1,740 founders nodes, right? So these ones go by 6, right? So that would be equivalent to 8,400 founders nodes. And then we've sold the 1,700, and there is 50,000 founders nodes available, right? So it's a long way to go. We will fill up all these 50,000 nodes, and that can take a few years. So if you look at other examples that have that node concept as well, such as, for example, Gala Games, you see that they have not sold their 50,000 nodes either, even though they have been out there for about 2 years now. And they have sold, I'm not sure, maybe 10,000, 20,000 or so, but they are not there yet with their 50,000 nodes either. So this is an ongoing activity with, pushing out those nodes to the community so that you own that blockchain and you run that blockchain with those validator nodes, right? And you get your rewards in Oku tokens. And once the Bitoku blockchain is going to go live next year, you will earn your Oku tokens by validating transactions and validating storage transactions. For now, though, the rewards are being issued on a time basis. So basically, we have these 500,000 going out to node owners each and every day. And 8,400, so it's about 10,000, if we say 1,400 platinum nodes, that's a founder's equivalent of 8,400 founders nodes, and then plus the 1,700 or so. Let's make it, just to make the calculation easy, let's say we have 10,000 founders nodes out there. So now I'm going to clear this screen now so you can read everything in our light paper. So make sure to read that light paper. It's, I was going to say it's an easy read, right? It's something intermediate. It's not the super technical stuff, but it is quite technical in some instances. But it makes it easy to read, so you can read it, in 15 minutes or so. And if you really want to understand everything and read some stuff twice, it might take an hour or so, but then you're a real Bitoku expert. So please read that light paper. It's all in there. Okay, so this was the basics. So now let me clear that screen up here. And let me also do some calculation here. So 500,000 nodes, 500,000 Oku per day, right? And then we divide that by 86,400. That's the number of seconds per day, right? So if we divide that, we come to this magic number, 5.787 something. That is the number of Oku tokens per second that are being emitted each and every second, right? And this is going to be divided among all the node owners. So that being said, let's dive into it here. And let's say it is Monday, 8 a.m., right? 8 a.m. And you don't have any nodes before, but at this point in time, let's say 8 a.m. and 0 seconds, right? And at this point in time, you buy 3 founders nodes, right? But there's already, after you buy those 3, there are 10,000 founders node outstanding. So what does that mean? Before you buy the 3, there were 9,997, right? And then you buy 3, and then after that, we have 10,000 founders nodes outstanding. Outstanding means just they have been sold and they're in the hands of the community, of you guys, right? So that then means you will earn, starting from Monday, 8 a.m., you will earn 3 founders nodes because you own 3 founders nodes at this point in time. But you will have to share it with 10,000 others, right? So it will basically be 3 divided by 10,000, right? So that would be our, per second, right? This number of Oku is emitted, right? We divide that by 10,000. And that means it's this amount here. It says -4 here, so it's 0.0005787. That many Oku per second will be earned per node, and then we multiply that by 3. So this is going to be your Oku earnings per second. If you buy 3 nodes, while there are 10,000 others out there to share with, right? So you will earn, 0.001736 per second. Okay? So this is now nice, and it seems relatively simple, but there is one complexity there, right? So let's say Monday, 8 a.m., 0 seconds, you buy 3 and you share them with 10,000, right? But then let's say on Monday, 8 a.m., and 10 seconds, someone else buys a node, right? And then we suddenly have 10,001 founders nodes outstanding, right? So suddenly, starting from this point in time, you're not earning the amount per second that I mentioned, right? Previously, you were earning this, 0.0017361111 per second. So, but now you still own 3 because it wasn't you that bought that additional node. It was someone else, right? So you still own 3, but you now have to share with 10,001. So it's going to be a little bit less, right? So here it's the 0.017 blah, blah, blah. And here it's going to be 0.001, maybe 16, right? I'm not going through the math here now. You can do that on your own. But just to illustrate, for 10 seconds, somehow it switches back to the eraser. For 10 seconds, you have been earning this per second. And now, you're earning this. And how long will you that be earning? Until there is the next purchase, right? So it could be a day until there is the next founder's purchase, right? And if you purchase more, you earn more, obviously, because it's multiplied by a higher number. But if others buy nodes, which, it's out of your control, then it's going to be shared with more and more others. So what does that all mean? It's great for you to be in early, because the earlier you're in, the fewer other nodes you have to share your rewards with, right? And there's another reason. Also, the price of the nodes gets up and up and up because we have that ascending pricing model, right? So every time 100 nodes have been sold off, we increase the price by $100, right? It's currently, we're December 2022, so the node price is currently at $1,400, but it will go up to $1,500 real soon. So that also means the earlier you're in, the cheaper you get your node. But not only that, you also have to share with fewer of your peers for some period of time until the other peers come and buy the nodes as well. So this is how this all works, right? Also, we have an affiliate program, right? So if you buy your node through an affiliate, someone out there on YouTube, some of your friends that refer you and say, hey, you, Mr. X, Mrs. Y, you can get a node through my affiliate link. Then you earn 5% more for 10 years until 2032. Each and every day, each and every second, you will earn 5% more. And the one that has referred you, the affiliate, will also earn these 5% more, right? So it pays to become an affiliate of Bitoku and bring other node owners on board, because in the end, it will be 10% more that will be emitted as rewards through this affiliate program. So I hope this was, informative for you guys. This table here, right, it can become long, right, because there's lots of purchases going on, and there have been lots of purchases going on, right? And you will earn all these earnings each and every second without doing everything, right? But at some point, you can come back to our node store and harvest your rewards. So harvesting, it's called collect in the current version of Node Store, but we're going to rename that to harvest. So you will collect or harvest your earnings. And that means the moment you collect or harvest, we will do the math for you. Go through all that table that I showed you and calculate how many rewards you earned in the meantime. And we will show you that right in NodeStore, and it's going to be saved on the blockchain in our NodeStore smart contract. And then there's a second operation that's called claim. So after you've harvested, you see them in the smart contract right in NodeStore, and then you can click on claim and get them out of the smart contract and right into your wallet. And there you have those Oku rewards. It pays for storage. So the Oku token is a pure utility token. It has the utility to pay for storage. We have our Oku bin right now, which is kind of a minimum viable product where you can store some data. But the real purpose of the Bitoku blockchain is to build our own blockchain. It's not live yet, but once it's live next year, then you will be able to pay for blockchain-based storage. And blockchain-based storage that is built to be fast and to communicate with the Solana blockchain and make it easy for smart contract programmers to use that storage layer. Okay, so this was my deep dive. If you have any more questions, if it wasn't, deep enough, or, any other requests, please write it in the comments. So I'll be there all the time to answer your questions. Please subscribe to my channel. There will be more deep dives like this, but I also have other contents, just general blockchain education and all these other things. So make sure you subscribe. Please like this video, and also visit our website, bitoku.io, read the light paper, and join our Discord. You can chat with me all for free. It's not like a membership program or so. And I'm personally there as the CEO and founder of Bitoku and engaging with you on Discord. So make sure you join our Discord channel as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and catch you later.